Everyone, this is our web application for the ambulance workload management system. Firstly, I will show you the flow for the staff. So this is the landing page of the staff, whereby he can see the workload assigned to him. He can also choose to reject the job by clicking on it, for example, and then clicking on the reject button. And now he will need to wait for the approval of the manager. Next, he can also view his availability for up to 5 weeks. And he can also add his availability as well. Click on the edit button, add a slot, and click on submit. Okay, so now I'll show you the manager flow. In the manager dashboard, he can see the top 3 and bottom 3 staff based on the work hours. He can also see the overview of how many % of people who underwork or overwork or have a normal work hours. We'll now proceed to the rejection request. So under the rejection request, close indicates that there's no pending action from the manager and open requires certain action from the manager. For example, the manager click on the first one, and if he decline the rejection, which means that the original person will need to remain with their own shift. For example, if he clicks and he clicks accept, the backend will retrieve whatever staff who is available for that slot, and hence the manager can choose any one of them. Once the manager click OK, we can now proceed to the job allocation page. Every time we enter this page, it will be defaulted to the first staff. Over here, you can see the job preference of the staff, as well as the select role, which is to indicate which role that the manager wants the staff to work as for the whole week. So let's say I allocate without selecting the role. It will indicate an error message. That if I select a role and I did not enter any time slot, it will show an error message as well. Back-to-back job are not allowed as well. So now I have successfully allocated the job. Okay, now I'll log into the IT admin page. So on the landing page, you will see the list of managers with his employee ID and his employee level. IT admin can add new manager by clicking on the create button, enter the inputs, followed by create button. And now the manager is successfully created. This process will work likewise for the staff as well.